How to extract files on your Android mobile phone right now in some seconds. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's start this video without any further delay. So to extract any zip files or any type of file format you have and you want to extract the file contents on your Android device, and how can you do it? There are two options. First option is there is an inbuilt feature in your Android mobile phone. If you have purchased a new phone, then this feature is available in the new latest mobile phones, that you can simply extract files only inside your application, inside your mobile phone, or you don't need any third party website. But the second step is to use a third party website. You can simply download from the Play Store, click on the Play Store and search for any file extension or file extractor available on free on your device. But if you don't want to use a third party website, you will simply need to go to the file manager of your device like me. Just follow the steps I'm showing you here. This is my file manager, and I will simply go to the documents here, and in documents, if there is a file that is in other format and I want to just extract the file folders or contents, I will simply tap the file like this and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen here, top bottom of screen, click on the more, and here if the file is extractable, you will see option to extract or extract any file. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.